Every country and region have something special about them. Due to the distinct nature of weather across the globe or because of the difference in flora and fauna in each of these regions, there are so many unique natural phenomena that occur across the world. Today we are going to talk about 10 such unique natural phenomena that take place in India. Before we get on with this list, we want to thank one and all as we have just crossed the 1 lakh subscriber mark. Hope we can achieve even better numbers soon with your constant support and patronage. The Missed by That Much segment. Lake EROS, Kerala. God's own country knows how to show some love to her children. Lake EROS, also known as Hridaya Saras, Chembra Love Lake or the Heart of Chembra, is a charming heart-shaped water body located on the hills of the Wayanad range in the Western Ghats. It's one of the only 7 known heart-shaped natural lakes in the world. Number 10. Red rain in Kerala. Monsoons in India are prone to bringing along a few surprises every now and then. But Kerala was left in a state of shock when there was a heavy downpour of red rain between 25th July to 23rd September 2001. First thought to be because of a meteor burst, various theories have popped up since then. Some say that it is because of the airborne spores and red-colored algae, while some even suspect it to be extraterrestrial body cells. Kerala has had a history of colored rains, the first of which was reported in 1896, and more recently in 2001, 6, 7, 8, and 2012. Similarly, yellow, green, and black rain have also been reported. Number 9. St. Mary's Islands, Karnataka. A set of 4 beautiful, completely inhabited islands of Karnataka. The St. Mary's Islands have been formed due to volcanic activity and the depositions of basaltic rocks millions of years ago. The vertical columns of rocks make it seem like they have been hand-carved, but are in fact completely natural. Legend has it that Vasco da Gama stumbled upon these islands on his way to Kerala, fixed a cross upon it, and christened it O Padrao de Santa Maria as a dedication to Mother Mary, which gave it its current name. The set of islands, one of its kind in India, is considered to be one of the 26 geological monuments of India. Number 8. Chandipur Beach, Odisha. Situated in a little-known part of Odisha, the Chandipur beach is one of the few beaches of its kind in the world. During the ebb tide, the water recedes by as much as 1 to 4 kilometers and returns back to the shoreline during high tide. Due to this phenomenon, it is a haven for marine life, and a lot of unique flora and fauna can be found here. Furthermore, you can easily walk almost a kilometer or more into the ocean and its shallow depths and explore it when the water recedes. Number 7. Salt Desert, Rann of Kutch. The salt desert in the Rann of Kutch is the largest in the world, completely uninhabited. The desert is about 7,600 square kilometers in size. It is also one of the largest international borders of India. Apart from being picture perfect, the salt desert is also famous for its varied temperatures, which can go up to 40 degrees during the day and fall to less than 0 by night. Number 6. Mass bird suicide, Assam. Picture this. After monsoon, a flock of birds, all of a sudden, plummet to their deaths exactly between 6 to 9:30 within a 1-mile strip in a village. Something right out of a book, isn't it? Well, this book would fall under the non-fiction category. This phenomenon can be witnessed in the small village of Jatinga in Assam, which has left the villagers flustered and confused. Apparently, it has been going on for over a century. There have been a few theories about this place, some of which state that it could be because of the strong magnetic fields, or because the birds get confused due to lights. But no plausible conclusions have been drawn yet. Number 5. CHIR, BATTI, Gujarat. Another picture for painting purposes. You're walking through the marshy wetlands at night, and all of a sudden, you see various multicolored lights as bright as mercury lights moving in all directions in the darkness. This is exactly what happens in the Bunny grasslands in Gujarat. This inexplicable phenomenon scares the living daylights out of the locals, who call it the CHIR, BATTI, which means ghost lights. Although it is seemingly paranormal, scientists say this is because of organic decay of phosphine and methane, which leads to photo emissions. Locals, on the other hand, say that the lights follow them and sometimes play hide and seek with them. Well, we leave it to you to pick a side. Number 4. Bioluminescence LAKSHADWEEP Islands. Few things are as beautiful to witness in nature as the glow-in-the-dark natural phenomena that's been aptly called bioluminescence. Though this occurs all over the world, it is still a rare sight, and India's Lakshadweep Islands has had the highest frequency of spottings of the same. Caused by a species of phytoplankton that emit light in response to stress, water lights up in an almost haunting way when provoked by movement of any kind. The phenomenon cannot be predicted, but if you visit these islands for a few days, there is a high likelihood that you'll spot it whilst taking late-night walks on the beach. Number 3. Valley of Flowers, Uttarakhand. Much like Hampi, this may be one of the better-known phenomena on the list, but it is without doubt the most unique as well as one of the most resplendent sights India has to offer. Converted into a national park to protect its rare and diverse flora and fauna, it has been recognized internationally by botany, literature, and mountaineers alike for its unique properties and magnificence. It is most famous for its meadows upon meadows of endemic alpine flowers, which also play home to endangered species such as the Asiatic black bear, snow leopards, blue sheep, musk deer, and more. Number 2. NEELAKURINJI, Kerala. It is believed that the Nilgiri Mountains, translating literally into Blue Mountains, were named after this enchanting flower. NEELAKURINJI is a purple-blue flower that blooms in Munnar only after a period of 12 years. A rare occurrence that is jaw-dropping in beauty. While the last blossoming happened in 2006 and the next one is expected only in 2018, there was a group of anomalous plants that was ahead of its time by 4 years and bloomed in 2014. Interestingly, the local Palian tribe is said to have previously used the flower that is indigenous to the Western Ghats of South India to calculate their age. Number 1. Lonar Crate, Maharashtra. This one's a treat for the sci-fi enthusiasts. Initially believed to be of volcanic origin, Lonar Crater Lake was actually born out of a massive meteor crash in Maharashtra about 52,000 years ago. This gave rise to the Earth's largest and only hypervelocity impact crater in the basaltic rock called Lonar Lake, which is alkaline and saline at the same time. The meteor is said to have weighed 2 million tons. The resulting impact created a hole that was 1.8 kilometers wide and 150 meters deep. Over the years, it has become resplendent with jungle, and a perennial stream has resulted in thriving greenery. The lake is actually named after the demon Lonasura, one of Maharashtra's tucked-away secrets, and so is India's. What do you think of this list? If you have anything to add, please do so in the comments section below. And if you really liked this video, do show it to us by pressing the like button and share it with your friends who think that there is nothing special about India. Also show them our unique places in India and most mysterious places in India videos.